Hi everyone, I've taken a short break from my parenting styles to talk about depression in my previous video. I hope you'll watch that and that it added value to you. With this video, I get back to parenting styles. Also in this video, I will cover the final segment in which I will be taking up authoritative parenting. Now, what is authoritative parenting? It's a parenting style characterized by high responsiveness and high demands. These parents use positive reinforcement and reasoning to guide children, and it is linked with superior child outcomes throughout the world. Kids raised under this kind of parenting are more likely to become independent, self-reliant, socially accepted and academically successful, and well-behaved too. They're less likely to report depression, anxiety, drug use, and delinquency. Now, how do you know that you are an authoritative parent? You're warm, attuned, and nurturing. Listen to the children. Allow autonomy and encourage independence. Reason with children instead of demanding blind obedience. Set clear limits and enforce boundaries. Use positive discipline instead of punitive measures. Now, if you are like this, there's good news waiting for you. Your child, in almost all probability, could be like this. They tend to have happier dispositions, have good emotional control and regulations. They develop good social skills as well. They're self-confident about their abilities to learn new things. They don't get nervous. Explore new environment without fear. They are competent and assertive. They have better mental health, less depression, less anxiety, less of alcohol and drug use. And finally, they exhibit less violent tendencies and high grit quotient. Now, this parenting style is a balance between discipline and emotional control and allowing independence. These parents are neither too harsh nor too lenient. There are a few similarities between authoritative and authoritarian parents, yet they are very, very, very different. Both place high demands on the children, but in authoritative parenting, which I'm covering right now, parents use reasoning and allow give and take of discussions rather than blind obedience. In short, authoritative parenting achieves a balance between too much psychological control and too little behavioral control. We can very safely say that this parenting is a very democratic kind of parenting, and after decades of research, the child development experts recognize that authoritative parenting is the best parenting style. If you feel a lot of what I just told reminds you of yourself, then you can smile, a big smile, and give a pat to yourself. That's all for now. In my next video, I'm going to cover a mental issue called OCD, Obsessive Compulsive Disorder. Till then, stay healthy and goodbye.